Hello everyone, today we will cook cabbage and carrot with egg. So let's try this. A simply yes way to prepare breakfast or food for your family. Cut the cabbage in small pieces. After cutting the cabbage, you will also grind the carrots. In small pieces. And then after that, you mix them together with the cabbage. Put them together. Set aside and prepare also your eggs. And after that, guys, you can put now your salt and pepper to your cabbage and carrots. And prepare also your egg together. And then mix them. And then after that, prepare also your egg. Put little salt and pepper and mix little. Mix. And then add the egg with your mixture, cabbage and carrots, and mix together. Let's prepare now our pan. Let's put oil. Wait a little bit before you will put your cabbage and carrots with egg. And then spread all over, load the fire, and cover it. And then check if it's already done, and then turn on the other side upside down. Use your plate and ta-da! That's our final cabbage and carrot with egg. And then you can eat this like pizza. It's really yummy. So try this one in your home for your family. It's yummy, yummy, tasty. And it will make your day happy. The food that will satisfy your stomach. And another way is you can put this with your bread. So, meron ka ng bread sandwich. So, hope you enjoy our simple way of cooking with cabbage, carrots, and egg. So, let's eat. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it.